Presenting the Tub4Two from Ella's Bubbles. This comfortable two-seat tub fits within a standard 60-inch bathtub alcove. As with all of Ella's walk-in tubs, there's a low-threshold, easy entry, and a textured slip-resistant floor for added safety. This unique Tub4Two is made with a bright, durable, easy-to-clean acrylic finish, with room for you and your partner to bathe and relax together. The Tub4Two offers extra length and extra width for the most enjoyable two-person bathing experience, with a large footwell to accommodate both bathers. One of the most special, unique aspects of the Tub4Two is the independent foot massage. No need to fill the whole tub to enjoy a relaxing, invigorating hydro foot massage. There's plenty of room for two, or enjoy it all by yourself. There's a secondary pump dedicated just for the foot massage. A two-piece fast-fill faucet fills your tub quickly and is equipped with an extendable, multifunction hand shower. Ella walk-in tubs are famous for their unique, strategically placed jetting. Both bathers can enjoy foot and calf massage and strategic hip, back, and bidet jets. Easy touch controls activate a 3-speed air massage with auto purge. Auto purge clears the water from your tub system after bathing to prevent mold and mildew. Dynamic hydro massage comes with an inline water heater and an intensity control dial, allowing you to control the power of the jet stream. Eco-friendly ozone sterilization also works to help keep your tub sanitary. This tub features Ella's famous dual drain technology. Dual 4-port T-type drains eliminates the water from your tub quickly and efficiently. The door locks and secures with Ella's unique 3-shaft gear and lock mechanism for a tight, leak-proof seal. LED light chromotherapy comes standard with your tub and creates a soothing visual experience for your bath. Optional infusion microbubble therapy generates literally billions of microbubbles in your tub that deliver a soothing, skin-softening experience. The Tub4Two can be equipped with microbubble therapy for independent foot massage as well, or use it for a full body soak. Microbubble therapy moisturizes, invigorates, and exfoliates. As an option, this tub can be outfitted with a dual 2-piece fast-fill faucet set with 2 extendable hand showers, or if you prefer, our rainhead shower column can be added. This fully adjustable shower allows you to choose between the hand shower or the overhead rain shower. It swivels and pivots at your convenience, covering both sides of the tub. And optional heated seats can be added for extra comfort and convenience. The Ella wall-mounted pillow attaches easily and adds another layer of bathing comfort. You also have the option to add a 4-fold glass shower screen. Come see the Ella Tub4Two and all of Ella's amazing walk-in tubs at ellasbubbles.com.